Today is Build Strong Arms Day, where we are going to do exercises to strengthen our biceps, our triceps, and our shoulders. Hello, everyone. I am Deborah. Recently, I did a arms workout using a Pilates bar. You guys absolutely loved it. But then some of you came back and said, we love the exercises, but we don't yet have a Pilates bar. Is there an alternative? The answer to that is absolutely yes. There are two other forms of resistance that we can use. Those being a water bottle or weights. And today I am going to demonstrate the same exercises using these two things. Now, you choose which one that you want to use, whether it be the water bottle. As a matter of fact, this is like 1 quart, it's 2 pounds filled, okay? Or you can use a weight that will challenge you. This water bottle, again, 2 pounds, perfect for my beginners. So what I'm going to do is there's 5 exercises. So you will see me do some of them with the water bottle, and you will see me do some of them with the weight. So you guys, without further ado, choose your resistance of choice, carve yourselves out some space, and let's build strong arms together. All right, you guys, as you can see, I'm doing the first exercise with these water bottles. Slow, controlled movement so that we can really get that mind to body connection. Give me one more. Excellent work, you guys. Okay, the next one, I'm going to pick up my weights. Light bend at the waist. And we're going to kick these weights back. And when you bring them back, hold them there for a couple seconds before you return. Really feel that muscle. Excellent work. And as always, you guys, 2 form tips. Keep these abdominal muscles engaged and keep these shoulders relaxed. Last one. Okay, excellent work. Okay, I'm going back to these water bottles. This one I'm calling the breaststroke. And when you pull these bottles or weights back in, squeeze those shoulder blades together. This reminds me of propelling through the water. Nice, cool, refreshing water on these hot days. And also remember, you guys, to breathe. One more. All right, excellent work. Coming up next, bicep curl. And remember, you can always alternate left to right. You choose what works for you. But remember to always challenge your body. Because if you don't, you're going to adapt to what you're doing, and the benefits of these exercises will definitely diminish. Your body's gonna say, what are you doing? You did that last week, a month ago. Nice work. All right. And the last one, I'm gonna hold on to these weights. I'm gonna do some upright rows. Get some shoulder work in here. Last one, weights down or water bottles down. You guys, bravo, high five, excellent, excellent, excellent work. You asked and we together, we delivered. Are there alternatives to certain things that you cannot do? Absolutely there are. Just like we proved with this particular workout, no Pilates bar, but we've got some water bottles, I'm sure, at home and or some weights. Just adapt the exercise to something that will work and benefit you. I want to thank you all so very much for being here. Remember, exercise, one part of the equation. You often hear me say that at the end of my workout videos. Exercises are key, critical, particularly as we age, you guys. Muscle loss, bone density loss are a real thing as we age. So we have to be mindful of that. We are showing up for the health benefits so that we can continue to live active, healthy, independent lives, not just because it looks good, because it is good. So exercise is part of the equation. Also remember to keep yourself hydrated throughout the day and eat healthy, nutrient-rich, high-protein foods. You need some examples, check out my description. I cook on this channel as well. So you guys, easy, healthy, simple, and oh, delicious is what you will find there. You guys, you know what I say here? It is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And you can continue to make my day very special by hitting that subscribe button below. So together we can continue to grow, thrive, and push those boundaries. Love you guys, and I'll see you all right here real soon.